Hello viewers, today we are going to review GoogieHost free hosting. So let's get started. First we will talk about the positives. It has generous free plans, offers free hosting with features like unlimited bandwidth and SSD storage, which is appealing for beginners or small project users. It includes free tools and free SSL, includes a website builder and one-click WordPress installer to help users get started easily without technical skills. It also provides free SSL certificates to secure website. It has cheap premium option. If you outgrow the free plan, they offer very cheap premium hosting. Now looks at the cons. It has poor reliability, unresponsive support, and data loss issues. Numerous users report that websites are often down for extended periods, and some users have experienced very slow or ineffective customer support. There are reports of accounts being shut down without notice, leading to the complete loss of website data. Users have had their accounts closed for reasons that seem arbitrary, such as inactivity or minor resource limits. Now, GoogieHost free hosting is a compelling option on paper for those looking for a free, feature-rich hosting plan. However, many users indicate that the service is unreliable and that the company's policies on account closure can result in the loss of all your hard work. While the free features like a website builder and free SSL are attractive, the high risk of downtime and data loss make it a questionable choice for any serious or business-critical website. So that's all about GoogieHost. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews like this.